What's up, guys? Here it is, finally. This thing's freaking huge. Like, I had to readjust my camera and it barely fit on this table. Well, let's cut right to the chase. What in the world? Oh, this thing's very heavy. I think I underestimated some things here. Here she is. There's the back. So right here in the top, this will be your mouse, keyboard, and other accessories. The cord was just loose in the box. Well, that's heavy. All right, so peel this off. Is there a special way this comes off? Oh, no. I don't think they did a very good job cleaning the screen though. That's okay, we can take care of that. Designed by Apple in California. Made in China. Alright Charlie, so I know what a Mac looks like. Let's get on with it. So first thing we're greeted with is the Magic Keyboard with the numeric keypad. Now you're probably thinking, this isn't the Magic Keyboard I'm used to looking at. Well, you're right. I ordered the one with the keypad on it. Because keypad. Of course, below it, we get our Magic Mouse. Then, of course, a book with, I'm sure, instructions and random stuff in it. In fact, I don't think anybody's ever shown this on video, so let's see what's inside. Quick start guide. iMac info looks like regulatory information. Hey, you actually get Apple stickers. And, of course, a microfiber cloth. Looks like I'll be needing that to clean my screen. Now another thing it comes with is a lightning cable. And the reason it comes with that is because the Magic Keyboard and Magic Mouse, they're actually rechargeable. Pretty sweet option. I remember the 2009 iMac I had back in the day was a bear replacing batteries every 2 weeks. So there is our Magic Mouse. Hasn't changed very much. Except thank God I don't see that battery door there that I had to open every 2 weeks. Anyways, here's our Magic Keyboard. It's actually really thin. You have your charger port on the back. So I guess we're gonna find out how often I'm gonna need to recharge this. Well guys, that about wraps it up for this video here. I will be posting a video of my thoughts and of course a review on this computer. I purchased this to do video editing for YouTube. So we'll see how well it does. I've been impressed with Final Cut Pro over the years, and that's what I used on most of my videos from about 2009 up until around 2012, 2013, when I kind of fell off YouTube back in the day. But that's old news. Here I am again. Anyways, guys, if you liked the video, you know what to do. Otherwise, you also know what to do. If you're not already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos to come, and share a video on social media. You might find that your friends are interested in the same thing too. Everybody wins. Anyways, see you in the next one, guys.